Look at all these ingredients. We have flour, eggs, and sugar everywhere. How do we turn this messy pile into a finished birthday cake? First, we have to gather our materials and put them into the mixing bowl. In the world of computers, gathering your raw materials is called input. Next, the bowl goes into a hot oven to be mixed and baked. This middle step, where the raw ingredients actually change into something new, is called processing. Finally, we take the finished cake out of the oven so we can eat it. That useful final result is the output. The tablet, phone, or computer in your hands right now works on these same 3 steps. Every computer is a high-speed machine built to turn digital ingredients into finished results through input, processing, and output. Instead of a mixing bowl, a computer uses things like a keyboard and a mouse to collect its ingredients. When you tap a button to make a video game character jump, you are providing the computer with its input. Deep inside your tablet is a tiny processor that thinks about that button press at lightning speed. That thinking phase is the processing. And when you see your character actually leap up on the screen, that is the final output. To make this happen, the computer uses 2 different things. First, there is the hardware. Think of these as the physical tools, like the metal pots and pans you can hold in your hands. Then there is the software. These are the invisible recipes living inside the machine that tell the hardware exactly what to do. A kitchen needs both an oven and a recipe to bake a cake, and your computer needs both hardware and software to do anything at all. While they work like a kitchen, computers have abilities beyond any human chef. For one, they are fast. A computer can solve millions of math problems in the time it takes you to blink. They also have massive storage. A computer's memory can hold entire libraries of books and thousands of photos inside a tiny chip smaller than your thumbnail. And while a human might get tired or bored, a computer can repeat the same task for hours without ever needing a nap or losing concentration. Computers were not always this small or capable. Long ago, they were giant machines that filled up entire rooms, requiring dozens of people just to operate the switches. Combining that speed and memory makes the computer a powerful helper for everything humans do. These abilities allow computers to handle massive jobs, like guiding robotic arms to assemble real cars on a factory floor. They help us talk to friends across the world by sending invisible messages through the air. You will find them in hospitals helping doctors, and high in the sky helping pilots fly airplanes. Even a giant complex car-building robot is still just fundamentally following those exact 3 steps: input, processing, and output. For all its speed, a computer stays completely still until a human gives it a command. It cannot bake anything without you. Now that you know how the system operates, what will you ask it to bake for you next?